Do you want to learn how to scalp your trades the right way? Join my free webinar where I share the secrets to exponentially increasing your ROI using scalping and other profitable strategies. Trust me when I say that many traders don't take advantage of this. If you want to grow your trading account, you can't just do it by making small wins every day. You need to be able to scale it by increasing your position size as you're winning. This is called compounding. When you compound your trades using scalping, a trading strategy that profits out of in and out price movements and holding them for just a few seconds or even just a few minutes, it becomes even more profitable. Don't be satisfied with just winning a certain constant number of pips every day. You should know how and when to increase your lot size to exponentially increase your return on investment, your ROI. I used these strategies recently to take an account from just $57 to over $1,300. That's a 2,373% ROI, and I could have done it without scalping and compounding. And I'm going to tell you how you can do the same with your trading account in my free webinar. Hi, I'm Dr. Greg McLeod. I am a 25-year trading veteran, and I've worked at successful Wall Street giants as a strategist, trader, and trader coach. If you join my free webinar, you'll learn the 4 pillars to successful trading that I and thousands of others I've helped use every day to create solid, consistent income. I'm going to show you how to use scalping and compounding to hold and win bigger trades. I know it sounds kind of the opposite, but you can scalp into longer trades. How to use clever risk management to also increase your potential profit. And apart from that, I'm going to be doing this live. I'm going to not record it. I'm going to answer your questions in real time. And you can pick my brain on how I make decisions of making thousands of dollars in trading, and at what point I enter the trade for maximum upside, and also how I keep risk so low that my accounts thrive and grow day in and day out. Now, it's up to you. If you want to strengthen your account and grow exponentially, join my webinar and I'll show you how you can do that without being stuck in the buy and hold trades. So join me on this free webinar because you'll not find a better web class on your trading, and you'll be surprised how simple it really is. Click the link below and get yourself one of the last remaining seats. Don't miss it. I'm looking forward to seeing you, and happy trading.